Hey guys, how's it going? How to check search history on Instagram. First of all, go ahead and open up your Instagram. Right? Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Tap on the three horizontal line or the hamburger menu at the top right. Go to the settings and then basically go to the settings and then privacy, and then you're gonna be able right here to scroll down and select activity, right? Or search for activity, right? Your activity. And basically you're gonna be able to see, or show your activity status, and basically, and you're gonna be able to see this is for activity, and then your activity is right here, the likes, the comments, and everything you received, the posts and all that stuff. You can go to the search right here and then just type the search at the top, and then basically you're gonna be able to see the recent search history. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.